Selena Gomez is continuing to bring her fashion A-game to the red carpet this fall. On Monday, September 30th, the actress and singer, 32, made a head-turning entrance at the NYC premiere of her new film, Emilia Pérez, which also stars Zoe Saldana and Carla Sofia Gascon. Walking the red carpet at the New York Film Festival screening of the film at Alice Tully Hall of the Lincoln Center, Gomez sported an all-black, Vera Wang dress that featured a slight cowl neckline and a massive bow on the back. The look was completed with detached elbow-length black sleeves. To accessorize her look, the actress wore dangling diamond earrings, plenty of glittering silver rings, and pulled her hair back into a sleek bun as she posed with her co-stars Saldana, Adriana Paz, Gascon, and Edgar Ramirez. Gomez walked the carpet solo, but was joined by boyfriend Benny Blanco inside Alice Tully Hall. The pair recently attended the 2024 Emmys together in coordinating glittery all-black looks as she celebrated nominations for Outstanding Lead Actress in a Comedy Series and Outstanding Comedy Series for Only Murders in the Building. Emilia Pérez, a Spanish-language movie musical written and directed by French filmmaker Jacques Audiard, debuted at the Cannes Film Festival in May, where it took home 2 awards at Cannes in May, including the Best Actress award for its ensemble of women. Through liberating song and dance and bold visuals, this odyssey follows the journey of 4 remarkable women in Mexico, each pursuing their own happiness. The synopsis of the film reads: The fearsome cartel leader Emilia enlists Rita, Saldana, an unappreciated lawyer stuck in a dead-end job, to help fake her death so that Emilia can finally live authentically as her true self. Since then, Gomez has been promoting the project in style. Earlier this month, she attended its premiere on September 9th at the Toronto Film Festival wearing a black sequin rosette-adorned Rodarte dress and Tiffany & Company jewelry, styled by Aaron Walsh. At the event, the Rare Beauty founder spoke with people about her character Jessie Del Monte, the wife of drug cartel leader Emilia Pérez, Gascon, who tries to fake her death, so that Emilia can finally live authentically as her true self, as a synopsis puts it. It was actually really interesting because I ultimately ended up getting to develop a character who is very similar to myself, she shared. And actually, I believe a lot of Latinx communities in America. I think it's also everywhere. But I'm really glad that we were able to make her Latin American because that's who I am, she added. Emilia Pérez is in theaters on November 1st and out on Netflix on November 13th.